This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes? Learn some statistical programming in R. It's easy, free, and fun. This tutorial, how to run analyses across multiple categories of a data table with the tapply and aggregate function. Let's load the example mtcars data table into R. Here's what mtcars looks like. Okay, easy question. How do I take the mean miles per gallon within the mtcars data table? There it is. Time to spice it up. How do I take the mean miles per gallon of the miles per gallon column stratified or grouped by the number of gears? The mtcars data table has cars with 3, 4, and 5 gears. For cars with 3 gears, what's the average miles per gallon? What about for cars with 4 gears? What about for cars with 5 gears? Spicy enough for you? Stick it in the tapply function like this. Whoa, mama, that was great. So the tapply function takes a vector that you want to analyze right here, splits it up based on a vector that you want to group by or stratify by right here, then runs whatever function you want to run on each of those specific groups individually, right here. Let's do another just for kicks. The median horsepower of the whole data table is that. Here's the median horsepower within each category of 4, 6, and 8-cylinder vehicles in the dataset. Hey, what if you want to do the 90th percentile of horsepower grouped by a different number of cylinders? Well, you'd normally use the quantile function like this for the whole dataset, right? Really, it's not much different. All you have to do is put the value you're analyzing in the first parameter, put the values you're grouping by in the second parameter, the function in the third parameter, and then whatever parameters this function requires here in the fourth parameter. And it will run the grouped aggregated function quantile broken out by cylinders on the horsepower column. The aggregate function works the same way as the tapply function, only it saves a little typing and it returns a convenient to work with data frame. To redo the commands above, instead of typing out the mtcars $ stuff, I can give it a parameter, first parameter that's a formula, second parameter that's a data frame, and the third parameter that's a function. I can do the same thing with median. There you go. This matches this up here. Both of these functions are powerful aggregation and grouping functions because they allow you to run other functions across any groups in a data table. This has been a work of R.